Hi guys, as you know, Capcut made it so easy video editing. Anyone can make video edit. Because of that, I decided to upload a new Capcut video to my channel. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to remove background and how to remove background noise from your voice with Capcut. So, let's go to our computer and start. Alright guys, we are in Capcut right now, as you see, and as you see I have a video that I have took in my home, and now you are seeing my background in my home actually, and I'm gonna show it to you for just this video. After that I'm gonna change my background. It's only Capcut using, and let's see how I did it. So here it is guys, I have this footage of me. Yes, let's go. First I'm gonna remove my background from the video. It's actually very easy. I don't need any green screen, anything at all. Just extract audio. First, as you see, I have audio here, and let's go ahead and remove our background. So, in Capcut, you should see here, remove, and in this panel, as you see, chroma key, it means you have a background, green screen or blue screen, I don't know, or you have a background that you can remove with color management, or auto removal, only human figures can be cut out. And I am gonna go with this auto removal, and as you see it's processing right now. I'm gonna show you after process. Yes, as you see now I have no background, and if you are seeing my video in here and you say what's with the color, actually yeah, color is not good right now, but I can tell you guys I made a video about color grading in Capcut, and it's really easy too, and you can watch it from here or here, I don't know really. In here you are seeing some of the features. You can add stroke to your site, as you see. It's because of the sometimes you need stroke, and it's just really cool actually. And you can change the color, for example, let's say this one, and let's go something like this and change color to red maybe, or to yellow. It can be blue, any color you want actually. You can see lots of color in here. As you know guys, as you see, it's just colors, nothing special, nothing unusual, and that's it. So that's without background, and as I mentioned before, I'm gonna reduce background noise from my video for you right now. So let's see how will I do that. In here guys, as you see, I have a video. So let's go ahead and hear the voice. As you see guys, I have really bad background and graphic design, and yes, that's why I need to remove this area from the video. Or for this case, I'm not gonna remove it, I'm gonna just reduce my noise. How do I do that? It's really simple. When I click the audio in here, you can see I have a normalized loudness. This is a pretty good feature too. It makes your voice more soft, let's say more, I don't know how to say that, but more soft, let's say. It's really good. And reduce noise in here, you can see just as an instant I reduced noise from the video, As you see, guys, it reduced noise, and if I had a voice over in here, it can't be heard from anyone, but I don't have a voiceover in here, that's why you are hearing some noise in here. Yes, and reduce noise is this, and it really works. I try it, I do it for all of my video, and you can see in here volume or something, I don't know, fade in, fade out, voice changer. What's voice changer? Let's go.
As swipe mask. Let's go to here. And the last one is
Yes, my voice is completely freaked out right now. Mic Hawk, I love Mic Hawk because it gives you a good and
here.
great voice effect, and it is really good. Yeah, what else? I don't know, you can try it for yourself actually, it's not a big deal. Yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned.